Fuck that. Who they chasing? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Shine TV. You feel me? Back at it again with another video. You feel me? So you know y'all already know the business is. We in the big cat. I'm gonna give y'all a little walk around of how it's looking right now. It is not clean by any means necessary. This bit is dirty as hell. Goddamn. I'm just finna drive around for y'all this afternoon. You feel me? Let y'all hear the cat, see me drive and shit, you know. Same old. Trying to get better at my videos. I'm way more comfortable doing YouTube now, but we're gonna go ahead and get in and go ahead and get this bit started. I'm gonna let the window down a little bit. There go a little Charlie right there. I'm trying to figure out how to get up out of here. Hold on. I should be able to. Nah, I'm just gonna go down that way. I don't know what that motherfucking Tahoe doing. Damn, that's a big ass pothole right there. A big ass pothole right there. Alright, we good though. Oh, I gotta put my seatbelt on. For y'all start tearing my ass up in the comments. Let's see, now we ain't waiting. Fuck that. Nah, don't pull out, big fella. You hear that bit coming down the road. I ain't trying to go too crazy. I'm just trying to get to point A to point B. Oh shit. There go a police right there. Who they? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! I thought them boys were coming after me. Oh God. Damn. Who is they looking for? Well, at least it ain't me this time. You feel me? Shit, they're not after us. Gang, let's get this bitch started. But something I want to talk to y'all about. I did put a redeye hood on here. Y'all can look in the other video. One thing that I noticed about this hood, my Hellcat, my supercharger wine, I cannot hear it like I used to. That's one of my only dislikes about the hood. In the regular Hellcat hood, they got the center scoop and the two vents on the side. You can hear the supercharger way louder, and that's because the vent is right over the intake. That's the only thing I don't like, and I wish that I could still have that loud supercharger whine. You still can hear it, but it's just nowhere near as loud. I think that it actually may be, I don't know. I was finna say louder from the outside, but you know, it is what it is. Goddamn. Let me know what else I can do to make my supercharger whine louder. take the windows up. We're not trying to go too fast, y'all. We just driving it, bit. And I still ain't got my interior lights yet. I've been told y'all I was gonna order them. It's just after I ended up finding this hood, I was like, shit, let me go ahead and get that hood. I found it for a good price. I found it for $600, and I'm finna sell my regular hood for $700 to somebody on Facebook Marketplace. This car sound good as hell. It's a clean Mustang GT. I was supposed to be making some collab videos with some people, but that had been bullshit. You want to make a collab video? What type of video you gonna make?
It's up to you.
It's a good bit of traffic out here. I'm gonna get off the freeway. I'm gonna get off. I know I'm gonna get off at. I'm gonna get off right motherfucking here. It's hot as hell. Handle that boat. Down, sure. I don't know why my brakes be whistling. They're not bad. At least I don't think. Like, do brake pads dry right? I don't know. Cause they're not low. Unless I just don't know what I'm talking about. What up?
Turn that bitch up. Turn that bitch
I'll turn it up for y'all nigga twin. They trying to make me go fed. Got my heart racing and shit. I'm looking out for police lights. Cause I'm gonna take their ass Damn, who the fuck that was? Was that a subscriber? Hey, you got a real job being Pastor Princess now. You gotta watch out for 12. Alright? You got to watch out for 12. If you see blue lights, we gotta go. Alright, twin. We in the trenches now. A lot of people got killed over here. I don't know that, but I think that. I'm pretty sure somebody died over there real recently. I know you know everybody who be dying, don't it? I think you be having something to do with it. Let me find out if you one of them sit-up type. Damn, my boy don't got no teeth. That boy munching on something. Huh? There was a joke. Now stop getting mad. You and the cat. Ain't that right? You mad at me?
No.
Oh, okay. Better not be. Y'all hear that bit? You hear that bit, Grandma? This bitch got the Holy Ghost. Tires is so ass. I'm happy ain't nobody try to race me with these tires on. They will annihilate my ass. What they having over here? This the club? Huh?
You know it.
I'm saying like do people go to the club that early? I miss going over there. Alabama rarely have takeovers now. The night riders are out. The night riders. I don't know how long I've been recording. Big shorts. They like always take a long time to change. I hear more sirens. That ain't the police, is it? I want to try to get y'all a little 40 roll before I cut the camera off. Alright, YouTube, that gonna wrap it up for this video, y'all. My phone ended up dying right when I was finna end the vid. But that's gonna be it for the video, y'all. If y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that post notification bell so y'all are tuned in whenever I drop another video like this one. You know, banging shit only. And goddamn shit, that'll be it until next time. Y'all, peace.